John H. Patterson, huh? Well, prior to founding NCR, he was a merchant. He knew firsthand that retailers had a real need for better record keeping. The cash register and NCR were really created to solve a global business problem.
We had a real pride in our craftsmanship. When you said you worked at NCR, it meant something in our community.
The Dayton flood was devastating. Under Patterson's direction, NCR factory workers frantically built rescue boats and rushed them into action. Over 1,000 flood victims were sheltered at the NCR factory.
Just 1 year after the company was founded, NCR went international. I guess everyone was trying to become more efficient.
We were one of the first companies to hold large-scale sales conventions. It really brought everyone together for a purpose.
Whether it was hot lunches in the company cafeteria or educational opportunities, NCR just sponsored a lot of things that no other company at that time would offer.
NCR was the first company to have on-site medical care available. That was something that Patterson started.
The first time I went there, it really looked strange. Guys were getting heat treatments for Charlie horses and sore muscles.
My kids loved coming to Old River. It was a beautiful place on a sunny afternoon. A real family kind of place.
I enjoyed working at NCR. It was neat to go to a store or a bank and see them using the machines that we made.
Well, it was an exciting time to work at NCR. Things were changing. We had a lot of new challenges. We worked on barcoding, computers, new machines for banking, lots of new things.
As we continued to grow, offering more products and services, our international operations grew stronger too, becoming a very valuable part of our company.
Massively parallel processing and partnerships with companies like Teradata really put us in a position of leadership.
As the business world went mobile, we helped lead the way.
Our merger with AT&T resulted in some tremendous synergies. Their strength in communications and networking is unparalleled, and the expertise at Bell Labs pretty much speaks for itself.
With the establishment of our customer-focused teams, we're putting our customers first. We're listening to their problems, and we're creating solutions.
Get it, move it, use it is a customer-oriented strategy that we can do better than anyone else. It makes us different, it makes us better, but more importantly, it'll make our customers more successful.
Beginning today, we are now AT&T Global Information Solutions. The AT&T Global Information Solutions name reflects who we are and who we are becoming. The full scope of our unique capabilities, the vision for our company, in our new approach to providing solutions to our customers around the world.